Experience high-quality sound with both Stone 170 portable Bluetooth speakers that deliver crisp sound with near zero distortion. With a power output of 5 watts, these speakers provide good HD sound quality that allows for a memorable listening experience. The speaker is portable and lightweight in design that is fitted in a compact, rugged structure, making it your perfect outdoor companion. Additionally, it is also IPX6 water resistant. The speaker also features true wireless function, allowing you to set up 2 Stone 170 speakers at the same time. Stone 170 comes with a large 1800 mAh lithium battery, giving up to 6 hours of playtime. The both speaker comes with Bluetooth connectivity and an SD card slot. The speaker comes with integrated controls to access a wide range of functions. The portable Bluetooth speaker is available in charcoal black and cobalt blue color variants. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods.
Presenting the Boat Stone 260 portable wireless speaker. It is a 4-watt speaker producing powerful sound. Boat Stone 260 is IPX5 water and splash resistant to suit your active outdoor lifestyle. The speaker has a battery capacity of 1000 mAh with a charging time of 1.5 to 2 hours and is capable of delivering 4 to 5 hours of music. Battery life may vary depending on conditions of usage. The portable Bluetooth version 5 speaker can be wirelessly connected to devices such as smartphones, tablets and computers to play back any music collection stored on them. It comes in blue, red, charcoal black, enigma, jazzy blue, jungle jam, prism, psych, voyage and yellow color variants. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product.
Presenting Boat Stone 650, a portable wireless speaker with HD sound quality. With a 10 watts power output, this speaker delivers loud, crisp and clear HD sound to enhance your movie watching or music playback experience. Boat 650 features a compact design, making it portable to be carried around anywhere. It comes with a dotted diamond-shaped mesh and smooth silicone-coated finish on the sides. It also comes with an IPX5 water-resistant design, making it suitable for outdoor usage. The speaker comes with a 1800 mAh battery that lets you enjoy up to 7 hours of playback time. You can connect to the speakers wirelessly through Bluetooth. It also has aux and SD card input for more connectivity options. The speaker comes with integrated easy access control buttons. It is available in black, blue and red color variants. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.
Presenting the Boat Stone 1000 portable wireless speaker. It's a 14-watt dual speakers which produces louder bass and crystal clear sound. The speakers are IPX5 water and dust resistant certified. It comes with a battery capacity of 3000 mAh which requires a charging time of 2 to 2.5 hours and has a playtime of 8 hours. However, battery life depends on various conditions of usage. It can easily be paired with all types of devices that use Bluetooth technology and has a range of 10 meters. It also can be connected through aux cable. It comes in navy blue and black color variants. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.